Let's have a go at a complex unfamiliar question. We have a variable x and y and a variable y and x. So we're working with simultaneous equations here. We're going to solve for x and y. Alright, let's work the right hand side here. 1 over 125 is the same as saying 1 over 5 cubed. And if I want to move this denominator to the numerator, I have to use the negative power. And you can see the base are now matching. My powers must be equal to each other. So 2x take away y must be equal to negative 3. And I can leave that there now and save this equation for later, so we'll call it equation A. Alright, time to work the second half of this question. 0.01 is the same as saying 1 over 100, and 1 over 100 is the same as saying 10 to the power negative 2. And I can equate the powers here as well. 2y take away 6x is equal to negative 2. And that means I now have two equations ready to use simultaneous equations. Alright, so I'm going to copy equation B and paste it over here underneath equation A. Now, we have to line up the x's and the y's. So I have negative 6x, positive 2y, and I need my constant over here, which is negative 2. Okay, that's equation B. Right, so let's look to eliminate. I'm using the elimination method. I want to eliminate x's or y's, and at the moment my coefficients are not lining up. I've got 2 and negative 6, I've got negative 1 and positive 2. So I'm going to have to tweak this a little bit and say, I'm going to double equation A and say I have 4x take away 2y is equal to negative 6. That's doubling A. And B, I'm going to keep it the same. And you can see my coefficients of y are now equal, so I can subtract. Now, to eliminate the y's, I really need negative 2 plus 2y. So I need to add these two equations together. Alright, let's see how this works. 4 plus negative 6 is negative 2x's. Negative 2 plus positive 2y is 0 y's, and negative 6 plus negative 2 is negative 8, and that means x must be 4. Okay, and now that we know what 4 is, we can easily solve y just by substituting it back into either equation A or B. Pick the easier of the two, because you'll get the same answer for both. Equation A looks easier. So, if we use equation A, we have 2x, we know x is 4. Take away y is equal to negative 3. Okay, so that means 8 take away y is equal to negative 3, and that means y must be 11. And there you have it. So that's a complex unfamiliar question. Good luck with those.